For next level stopping power for your late model muscle car, Baer's Eradispeed Plus rotor tech is where it's at. These replacement two-piece rotors bring race braking technology to the streets, turning your ride into a stopping powerhouse. While your muscle car's brakes are good, Eradispeed's Plus brake rotors give your muscle car top-notch braking power. Whether you drive a Camaro, Mustang, or Corvette, you can enjoy the benefit of these lightweight brake rotors, which include enhanced cooling, superior braking, and ease of installation on top of the great look these rotors provide. Eradispeed Plus rotors are designed with a two-piece construction, making them lighter than one-piece units. This means less weight on your car's suspension, improving initial braking response. The purpose-cast rotor rings have extra mass in the friction area to handle more heat. They've got curved vanes to help airflow through, keeping them cooler. Plus, they've got slots and holes drilled into them to reduce friction caused by gases coming out of the brake pads. They're also zinc-plated to look cool and to protect them from the elements. And because they're overall lighter, you get quicker acceleration and better suspension response. These rotor rings are mounted to a 6061 T6 billet aluminum center hat using top quality NAS aircraft hardware. These rotors are a direct replacement for the stock rotors and work with the OE calipers. Performance pads that match these rotor sets are also available that will typically increase braking performance. Eradispeed Plus kits are available for both front and rear brake assemblies. Deck your late model muscle car with Eradispeed Plus brake rotors and feel the difference for yourself. Check out the full lineup at Baer.com and get ready to stop on a dime.